My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2022 Nissan Qashqai. This is a hybrid electric vehicle. It has done just over 20,000 miles with a manual transmission. To the left of our steering wheel we have automatic headlights, and to the right we have cruise control, voice control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access phone, audio, connections, information and settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our dual zone climate control. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.